Really difficult to kind of show it now, but we're 66 miles away from that fire, and the air now is full of smoke and it smells, and it's not good. Wind's obviously changed direction. It's slightly raining here, so I fear for everybody up there at the moment that's now being evacuated. It has now been declared an official emergency, so hearts and thoughts go out to all those people that are now out of their homes tonight. So yeah, there you go. Wildfires in Scotland. Listen to that podcast. There's plenty of good information about it. Hopefully people will take notice of this, because I think Callum mentioned that at some point somebody is going to lose their life in a fatality. Well, if you're evacuating houses, I think we're at that point. This is a serious situation. Rewilding, is it such a good idea? Or do we actually need to do a bit of that burning and a bit of land management to go with it?